Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video, we are going to print 14th program of control statement. So let us look at the program. Write a program to print the middle number among any three given number. So first of all, we need three number. So let us look at the program. CLS. So input enter your first number A, suppose any variable P, Q, R, any variable. Input enter your second number B. Input enter your third number C. So if we enter first number, then it is stored in A. When we enter second number, so it is stored in B. And when we enter third number, so simply it is stored in C variable. So we have to print the middle number. Here we have to print the middle number. So we use this if else statement to print that middle number among three given number. So this is our syntax. If here expression first and then statement first. If else if, then expression second, then statement second, and so on, and in last else and statement end, and in end if, then end. So this is our syntax of if else statement. Just by using syntax we can print our program. So let us look at the program. If we have to print the middle number, so if our first number greater than B and this A less than C, or this A less than B and this A greater than C, then print A is middle number, A is middle number, A is middle number. Then else if, in our syntax there is what? If else if, then statement second. Expression here, we have to write the expression. So second expression, then second statement. So else if here B greater than A and B less than C, or B less than A and B greater than C, then print B is middle number, B is middle number, then end if end. So this is our program. So run it. So enter your first number. Suppose our first number is 5, second number is 9, and third number is 1. So A is middle number. So it is right. First of all 1, 5, 9. So 5 is in what? Middle. So A is middle number. So it is right. So check once. Enter your first number. 100, 200, 300. So B is middle number. So it is right. So this is our program to print the middle number. So save it. Just click on file, click on save as, and write here name. So thank you for watching this video.